Hi Mario. So I'm gonna give you a quick overview of the version 1 of the Tech Assistant AI tool. So as I told you before, the idea behind of that tool is just to make easier for users to search for information in any kind of document, okay? So in here, in the resource page, you can add resource. A resource could be anything. It could be an equipment. It could be a motorbike, a car. It could be a monitor. It could be also a construction site for in case of builders with plans and any other kind of documentation that engineers and architects can check. we gonna I gonna use here as an example just three completely different resources. Okay, one is a boiler, the other one is a motorbike, and the other one is just a kid story about one little girl. Okay, so let's register first the motorbike CB650. Okay, so I'm gonna give the name here motorbike CB650. So you can upload here up to 20 files per resource, okay? So in that case, we're gonna upload only one. So it's a medium to large file. Yeah, there you go. We have the motorbike registered there already. So now we're gonna create the Baxi boiler, which is just the boiler of my house here. Um, it's the PDF is a little bit bigger than the motorbike, might take a little bit more. Well, it was very fast. And now we're gonna create a resource which is just Luna kid kids story. Okay, so it's just an img file which is very similar to text file. So here, once you have all your resource registered, you just need to go to the AI support and start chatting with AI about any resource that you pick here, right? So you don't need to choose only one. You can start as much conversation as you want. In that case here, I'm gonna ask the tool for different kind of information at the same time for all the resources. Okay, so for the motorbike, I'm gonna ask what is the engine oil for this model. So it's thinking there. We can move on to the boiler. We can give like can ask the boiler chat here, give me all the specifications for this boiler. So then you can go to the Luna and say Luna story and say who is Luna. Okay, so if you go back to the motor, it's gonna tell you the question was about the oil that we need to use for the engine. Okay, so here is the answer. Okay, so if you go to the box boiler, it's still thinking, which is okay. Well, it just gave the answer here now. So as you can see here, you have all the specifications. What I asked was for the specifications of that boiler. So if you go to the Luna story, you ask who is Luna, it's gonna give you Luna is a curious little girl, la 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 la. So you get all the information about the story here. Okay, so if I go to the motorbike and ask who is Luna, basically that resource and that conversation is just for the motorbike. The tool should be able to answer saying, I don't have these answers, apologize. Okay, so this idea, this restriction is in order to avoid users to be chatting with resource for random stuff. Okay, we don't want that. What we want is just the AI, the chat be a specialist of that resource. Okay, so as you can see, the tool is very basic. So it's basically like easier access to the information. But that's just the version 1. We have a roadmap with the next features there that I can share with you, and we are constantly working on this in order to improve and yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be like we have lots to add, but that's what we have so far. And if you have any questions about any functionality here or anything that you think it might be worth changing or adding, please just let me know. Okay, so thank you